Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. Today's video topic is dreams comes true in my life. By watching this video, you already guessed what it is. So let's start the video. Once again, I will welcome everyone in this video where inspiration meets action. Dive into a world of limitless possibility as we share a story of triumph, practical tips of success, and heartwarming journey of individuals just like you who turn their dreams into reality. My channel is Beacon of Hope and Empowerment. Subscribe now and let's embark on this transformative journey together. This is BenQ PD2506Q monitor. Those who thought step into the world of professional grade display with exclusive unboxing and review of the BenQ PD2506Q monitor. Join me as we unwrap this sleek and sophisticated monitor designed for creative and professional seeking unparalleled color accuracy and precision. From its stunning 25 inches IPS panel to its ergonomic design and advanced connectivity option, will explore every aspect of this powerhouse display. Whether you are a graphic designer, photographer, or a video editor, the BenQ PD2506Q promises to elevate your workflow to new heights. Don't miss out on this in-depth look. Subscribe now and experience brilliance like never before. Now get ready to witness the next evolution of computing with exclusive unboxing and first impression of Mac Mini M2. Join with me as I unveil Apple's latest powerhouse packed with the evolutionary M2 chip and groundbreaking features. From its compact yet stunning design to its lightning-fast performance and innovative capability, I will dive deep into everything the Mac Mini M2 has to offer. Whether you are a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or simply Thank you for turning into my video. I hope you enjoyed the content and found it informative and entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest videos. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams. Thanks for watching. Follow for more, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye everyone, stay tuned for the next video.